Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today I just want to give you a walkthrough and kind of just a little review on this Worx Pegasus Workbench. You can see I use it all the time. It's all painted and dusty and dirty. I'd made a short on this workbench because I like it so much, and this isn't, a sponsored video or anything like that. I just really like this workbench. It's super versatile, super light. You could carry it to your project, with ease. It folds up. So I just want to go through how to use this workbench, and yeah, if you guys have any questions, just make sure you leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, we'll just show you the basics of this workbench. You could see it comes with the clamps here on each side. And then these two leaves right here fold down, and I'll show you how to fold them down. So you just press this button and then this button, and that side comes down. And then same thing on this side. You press this button and this button, and they both fold down. And then this middle piece right here, you just push this up, and you can see it folds right up. So you can see how small it gets, and it actually is very light given how durable it is. So we'll just unfold it again. Okay, and now we'll show you how to put the clamps on. So these clamps, I have them, when I put them into these little brackets right here, I tighten the clamp down just so that they don't fall out when I lower this leaf. But you can see if you just loosen them a little bit, they'll come right out. And then I'll show you how to install them. They each go right into these tracks. So to install it, we'll just lower this. Actually, we'll show you on the clamp too. So you can see this lever on this clamp. If you push this in, that's how you slide it, just by pushing this lever right here in. And then same thing with this. You see this lever right here, and that if you push that in, you could slide this whole piece in and out. So to insert it into the track, we'll just open that up a little bit, and then you can see when you pull the handle, there's a typical clamp. It gets smaller. But we're gonna put this piece right here that you see into this track, just like that. I'll do it again, just like that. And then you just slide it in, and then you're gonna lift this piece into place, slide that in, and then to actually lock the handle in place, you just, I'll show you real close. You just hold this in, push it in, and then push it right down. So you can see how that goes in. It's a little tricky actually, but pull it, push it, pull your handle in, and then just go straight down into it. And then you can see it's locked into place. And then you could use your clamp. So we'll do the same thing over on this one. We'll just get this clamp out of here. We'll just slide this in a little bit. And then all we're gonna do is insert that into the track, push it in, and then just pick this up a little bit. And that goes into place. I'll do that again. That goes into place. And then the whole thing slides until you get to the handle. And then for the handle, you can see you just push this in and then pick it up and then just lock it into place. It's kind of hard to see on camera. I'm trying my best to show it. And then you would just put your, whatever you're going to be working on. Let's say we want to clamp down just a 2x4 real quick. So you see, it's clamped down, holds it real tight. And then to put these back where they belong, we're just going to lift this handle straight up and then just pull it right out. And then we're just going to extend our handle fully. So you can see our handles extended out, and then we're just going to insert it right into these clips like that. And then you can see when it's fully extended out, there's some wiggle room. And when you go to lower this to store it, then this is going to fall out. So what I like to do is just give it a couple of squeezes, tighten it down so that that doesn't happen. Then we'll show you the same thing here. So we're just going to pull this handle, lift this up, and then just slide it all out. And then we'll extend this out. We'll extend this piece out. Again, just by pushing this in, you could slide them. And then we'll put this one away. Okay, then we'll just tighten this down. Okay, so now you can see that's not going to go anywhere. It's snug up against this bar right here. And then, you know, we could push our buttons like I showed you before to lower these down. And then you can see it also comes with some rulers, inches and meters. So these are millimeters right here, and then these are inches. I mean, it's kind of tough to see because I was recently doing some tile work. I had my wet tile saw on here, and I haven't really gotten a chance to clean it all that great. I did give it a wipe down, but then you can see here, same thing, inches on this side of the track, millimeters on this side of the track. So yeah, I use this for everything. I put my miter saw on here, my tile saw. If I'm going to be cutting anything, you know, I'll clamp it down, cut it. It really helps you speed up the process when you're doing a project. And it's just really helpful to have something lightweight that you can carry, you know, as close to your project as you can get it. And, you know, it makes life a lot easier. It's one of those things that you don't really think about or give enough credit to, but it really does speed up your project and it makes your life a lot easier. So I'll include a link in the description on where you could buy this. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, if this video helped you, be sure to give it a like. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out my other tool and DIY videos. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.